Welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mansa. Today we're gonna cook basic Indian dish which is one of the most popular and ordered dish in restaurants, and that is none other than dal tadka. Who loves to order this dish in restaurant, guys? Please leave a heart in comment section below. Now let's check the procedure. In a bowl I'm gonna soak all the dals. First I'll take masoor dal. I've taken 1/4 cup of masoor dal, 1/4 cup of moong dal and another 1/4 cup of tur dal. Now before soaking these dals in water, we need to rinse them properly to avoid all the dirt. After rinsing the dals, drain off the water and pour some fresh water and let's soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now while it's soaking, I request you guys to please subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Mansa Arcot. Please search Mansa Arcot and hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload the video. Now you guys can see after 20 minutes the dal has soaked in water properly. Now let's get to cooking this dal. I have taken a pressure cooker and I'm adding in all the soaked dal in it. You can add more water if you require, guys. And once you add in the soaked dals, we need to add some turmeric into it. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric into this, and salt as per your requirement. After that, mix it well and close the lid and put on the whistle, guys. So we need to cook this, that is pressure cook this for 4 whistles, guys, on high flame. Now after 4 whistles, we need to turn off the flame and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's cooled down, this is how it looks like once you open it. It is so soft, it is so soupy. I love the texture, guys. If you want, you can add some more water, but I like this. So let's prepare tadka for this. In a pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil here. Along with oil, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let them get hot, guys. I'm testing by adding a cumin seed to check if the oil is hot, and as you guys can see, the oil is hot completely. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds into it and let them pop. Adding 4 to 5 dried red chilies. Adding some curried leaves. Please be careful, guys. Let the curried leaves chill and then we can go to the next step. So I'm adding a tablespoon of crushed garlic and crushed ginger. Into this, let's add some red chili powder, guys. I've added half a teaspoon of red chili powder here. And next I'm gonna add some onions. I've just chopped some onions and adding in it. Adding chopped tomatoes and dried fenugreek leaves, that is kasuri methi, and mix them well. Mix the tadka well. As you can see, the tomatoes and onions are cooked well. We will start adding in the dal. Pouring all the dal in this, guys. Keep mixing them, guys, gradually while you're pouring the dal. And are you guys realizing how easy this dish is? So please definitely try this dish and let me know in comment section how it was. Now after you pour this, I'm just adding some green chilies for some extra spiciness and some red chili powder to adjust the taste. It's completely optional. You can adjust the taste however you want. Let it simmer on high flame for about 2 minutes exactly, guys. Once it's done, you can switch off the stove and serve it. And there you go, dal tadka is done. So let's start serving it. The best combination for dal tadka is jeera rice, guys. You can taste it with whatever you want, but jeera rice is the best combination. And there you go, dal tadka is ready, guys. Isn't it easy? So please give it a try and let me know in comments. You guys can also follow me on Instagram for short recipes, guys. My username is happytummy 2.0. I'll give in description box below too. I have IGTVs with short videos as well. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, everyone. If you like my content, do not forget to hit subscribe and like button and share the video to your loved ones, guys. Stay home and stay safe. Let's meet in next video. Until then, bye bye.